Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be recording another video to show how to run TTS model on Google Colabs. So Amit Gush here has requested that, bro, can you tell us how to run Kokoro TTS model on Google Colab? Please make a dedicated video. So let's get into the video and we'll see how to run this Kokoro TTS. So first things first, I had to do my own research and I found out that uh, there's this guy here. Let me give Neutral Falcon YT. So I had to check the code that he had put out there. So let's go to this guy's repository. So here is the repo. It's called Kokoro 82M Web UI. So I tried to run this open on Colab, but I faced some issues. So I had to fix the issues I had to fork the repository from this guy, Neutral Falcon YT, fix the issue. It was a small issue. So I made a pull request. It's not been merged yet, but let's wait this guy merges it to the main URL. But what you want to do right now, so to run this Kokoro TTS with my fixed version, you'll just head over to my GitHub. I'll leave the link on the description. Head over to my GitHub and it will be on this Kokoro. Let me go to the direct link. So Kokoro something, yeah. So forked. So I'll just leave the direct link. Don't worry about this all other issues. So download this Kokoro 82m.ipynb for now. But when this guy fixes the main code, it will be much easier because you can just click run on Colab. But for now, just download this, download that, then head over to Google Colabs now. Yes, Google Colabs. You can just open Colab, upload. So let's select the file, this one here. It's really simple. The setup so simple. So let's connect T4 GPU. Make sure you're using T4 GPU. So you can change your runtime, make sure it's using T4, then connect. So it has only 3 cells, this one, and installing the Kokoro TTS and then running on Gradio server. So I'm just going to say run all and wait for the dependencies to install and finish. So compared to the other models I've been running, this actually takes shorter time to run it on Google Colabs compared to Chatterbox, compared to Kyutai, TTS. This is actually faster to run it on Colabs. I don't even need to cut the video because it's shorter compared to the other models that I've already done. So this TTS is actually good. You'll see the result for yourself. Compare it with Kyutai TTS, compare it with Chatterbox TTS, and leave a comment leave a comment. I mean, also I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. It will be nice if you share the video and like. So let's wait for the server to spin up. Successful build simple audio. Then it's running the last cell, which is Gradio server. So shout out to my guy here, Neutral YT. I hope he will accept the pull request, and that's the good thing about open source. Yes, MIT. Model has been successfully loaded. Now we can spin the server. So you can see the public URL from gradio.live has been generated. So let's now click on it, and we see the model. Yes, sir. So you can see that we are in Kokoro TTS. So this was built by my guy Neutral YT. You can enter your text here. Output will be on this side. Voice, you can select the voice here, the sample of voice you want to use it with, audio settings, speed, and all that. So interact with this. I can also, there's multiple speech to text generation, all this available, voice name, get voice name. So let's try generating a voice first. So I'm going to, where do I go? Let me just copy a simple blog here. I know I have some blogs somewhere. So I'm just going to copy this text here. Then let's spin it up here, paste it, and hit generate. We haven't selected the model, so you can see the value error. So let's select the model here and generate. So this is actually faster than the other models. Like I said, it's really fast. So you can see that the generation has been done. It's quicker, and just mess around with Kokoro TTS. There's a guy that requested this tutorial, and I'm glad that I had time to make it. So take a look at this. I don't want to make the video so long and chaotic, but mess around with it, and I hope today my voice is much better. I'm trying to use a new recorder. Actually, my mic has been having some issues, so kindly support by subscribing and all that. So I'm out. See you on the next one. Peace out.